Okay. Unang bola. Tuwas Orange. Number 41, tira. Yes. Good for 2. Dili, Hugutudo ni. Number 20, tira. Pasal dari Escobar. Kelas 31, nagkuhan bola. Tuwas Orange. Kelas number 8, Kobe Bryant. Pasal number 31. Assist. Ay, doon ni Pito. Nakita sa Torre Pire, Baguio. Bola sa yellow. Number 4, controlling the ball. Pass to number 23, Argente. Pass to number 9, Argente rin po. Nagkana ni Argente. Nagabaw po ni. Kaliwat. Number 9, intercepted. From Argente. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 4. Number 4, pasa. It's ni Jordan. Kung kasyap. Ball number 7 of Orange. Paso Pirman. Puro sa atas Pirman. Number 8. Pasa. Alas 41. Nakuha si Ilo. Pasa 23. Nilusot. Pasa di Ice number 9. Number 4. Yes. First lead block of tonight's ball game. To all. Mahal kayo natin scorer. Cum laude. Yan, scorer. Mahal kayo bayad. Oh, Tunepito. Foul number 21, posting foul, first team foul, Orange. Okay, pass to number 20, tira. Ibang number 8. Pasa. Pass for Deono, dribble mula. Desuk. Too strong. Rebound sa Gilo. Ay, na-out ang bola. Bola sa Orange.
Junel. Sorry, Junel doon. Laisa.
Pass number 20. Pasas kontra. Recovered by number 9. Dribble to number 20, Argente. Number 9, tira.
Ika si kamera bi buktawan na.
Tabula. 5 minutes remaining time. Number 9. Pasas Berotso. Tira. Tolbimbo. Number 9. Lugan, Casilo. Cross number 4. Cross number 7. Pasa. 21. Drives in. Big layup. Too strong. Number 41. Masuk ke Montol. 15 shoot. Yes. Atong score. Size dus. Nabawang size. Number 9. Looking for open man. To number 4. Back to number 9. Number 33. From Wimbo. Boom! 3 points.
Doon po. Doon.
Gayo. Number 8. To number 9. Number 9, dribbling. Intercepted. Up this pass to number 4. Home along the release. Okay. Oh, lihat.
Isa boy.
Ada itu. Ball number 9. First personal foul. First team foul, Treasure. Unang tira. Yes. Second try. No good. 3 minutes remaining time. Tatan Nilo, bola sa Orange. second in block, 7-all. Number 41, Kira, Pinapito. Foul number 4, first personal foul, second team foul, Chargers. Two minutes, 30 seconds, during time. Unang tira. Breaking the tie. 8 against 7 in favor of Charger. Rebound, number 21, yes, but there's a whistle spotted by referee Baguio, number 20. 12:30, remaining time. First personal foul, 3 team fouls. Okay, rebound play. And out. Rebound by number 20. To number 23. Argentine. Dribbling ball. Pass to number 9. 15 to shoot. Jump on 3. No good. Rebound won by number 9. Arnold Corrado. Block. Nice block. Intercepted by number 23. 2 minutes. What a pass. To number 4, Tabura. Yes! Number 1, under the basket. No good. Number 1 again. Yes. Maybe. Maybe also. Maybe. Nagdalas mula. Number 1, 41. Dribbling. 1:30. Still to shoot. Number 7. Yes. Yes. Oh, number 20. Number 9 to number 4. Kira. Yes. One minute, remaining time. Now put number 9. It's in the shoot. Number 9, yup. Yes. Simple yup by number 9, Charger. Nabaw na. Michael Jordan. Block. 40 segundos. 34 segundos.
Lupos.
Here's the whistle. 3 second violation. 30 segundos. Kabalik pa. Number 1, Kira. Too strong. Kabahan by number 9. 20 segundos. 15. On a set clock. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 second. Basket counted. One second, remaining time. Okay, time is up. Okay, atong score 14-13.
Ipos.
Nabaw ang 14.
Manamang first.